Hello. Welcome to a new Rocketbot class. Today, we'll continue with the Python module, where we'll see how to run a Python file, a script that's inside a Python file. Previously, in the last class in the previous video, what we saw was a direct script coded inside Rocketbot Studio. Now we're going to have that script, but outside of Rocketbot Studio. In this case, we'll have it in Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to show you how. In this script, we'll look at some web pages. We have 5 web pages, of which 2 will start up correctly and 3 will start up with an error. Why? Because I've coded this in such a way that we can see, depending on which one runs, we'll see whether it executes correctly or if it runs into an error, and how it's handled with the logs. Alright, here we'll see that we have 5 web pages, and what the script is going to do is randomly select any one of them and store it in the URL variable, which we have right here. So, if you notice, if I run this, we already have a URL here. Therefore, what we've set up is a for loop that will run 5 times because we have 5 URLs to check, and then it will start the browser and open exactly that URL. If it's correct, what it will do is open and close it, and if it's not correct, it will throw an error and go straight to the catch part, where this time it sets up the log writing. In the log writing, we've added the error part, failure in the URL, this one, for example, where we'll see that when it's executed, it will even write which URL failed. Alright, let's run it. The URL to use is the one for AliExpress. With this one, we won't have an execution error, so it will open and close correctly. Notice that we set up an alert to show which URL we're working with, and with that we'll know this is just for demonstration purposes which URL we're going to execute. Now the Google one is coming up. Notice that the Google URL doesn't have HTTPS at the beginning, so it's going to cause an error. Therefore, this command is going to fail and it will go straight to the catch section, where it will write. Notice, what happened is the command failed and the robot, stopped. Alright, if we come over here to this section, we'll see exactly what was generated. We'll have the exact time it was executed, the error we encountered, and in which bot that error occurred. And here we'll see that it failed on the Google URL. All of this is completely configurable in our robot, and with that we were able to see how we can write a Python script directly inside Rocketbot Studio, or have a script outside and call it from Rocketbot Studio to execute it that way. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in the next class.